The flawless glow of absolute purity and unbreachable security. This is the full end-to-end industrial process of how raw gold is transformed into internationally certified 999.9 solid gold ingots, housed within the secret vault of a precious metals refinery. From the raw doré bar to the final official hallmarking, every step is a masterclass in high-tech efficiency and extreme control. This documentary takes you deep inside the hidden, hyper-efficient factory floor where industrial power meets scientific precision. Phase 1. Intake and initial assay. Witness the receipt of raw gold, weighed under maximum security, and its precise composition analyzed via specialized fire assay techniques. Phase 2. Bulk melting and homogenization. Observe the large-scale melting of gold batches in high-temperature induction furnaces, removing major impurities through fluxing and slag separation. Phase 3. High-purity electrolysis. Follow the advanced electrolytic refining process, where gold is dissolved and redeposited as ultra-pure 999.9 gold onto cathode plates, separating it completely from silver and platinum group metals. Phase 4. Final casting and certification. Experience the final melting under vacuum and the casting of the gold into flawless ingots, followed by the powerful official hallmarking and security sealing. Phase 5. Vault logistics. Witness the continuous, tightly controlled movement of the package ingots, from the production line into the automated storage systems within the high-security gold vaults. Every motion in this facility is synchronized, every machine is calibrated to the highest tolerance, and every ingot produced is a globally recognized symbol of certified value. If you appreciate efficiency, metallurgical engineering, and the secret processes behind the world's most valuable commodities, this is the deep dive you've been waiting for. Key highlights in the video. Fire assay. Analyzing raw gold samples in a furnace to determine exact purity. Induction melting. Melting gold with fluxing agents for initial impurity removal. Electrolytic cell banks. Gold is refined to 999.9 through a complex electrochemical reaction. Vacuum casting. Casting the ingot in an atmosphere-controlled environment for a flawless surface. Hallmarking. Applying the official refinery and purity stamp using a massive hydraulic press.